Okay, so okay, let's go to the Agile LM and share my screen. Okay, so then go to like this for your finance. Then go to the like backlogs and features. Okay. So here what we did in this project, we had actually created multiple features. Like these are our features, like authentication and authorization, then user management, and then account management, then the voucher, laser, and then account management. We have two account management, right? Should be able to view the transaction profit and loss. Should be able to, yeah, okay, we have two account management, so we should one actually. So we should actually bring into one account management and delete the rest of the user stories. Is it? Wait, let's see.
User story, I think these are different.
The feature
User
number
story.
is 24 here. 22, 23, 23, 21,
That
11,
is
12, 13. Okay.
that is 24 too, Pranto, I can see two features, which is like 24.
Yeah, but the user stories number and the
Different, right?
titles are the different. So yeah, we have to
Right.
actually do this. And then we have another feature settings, then notification. So all these things actually based on our the finance application. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here like this, and then okay, let me 1 on to 2 test. Okay, so then let's go to the my bio, sorry, dashboard. This for limited. And here actually whatever we have the functionalities, we actually write down the user stories based on our existing functionalities. Okay. So here, like this is the whole the part is the account management, like the vouchers, the list of the vouchers, trial balance, profit and loss, then balance sheet, ledger management, and then also the search, and then here search, then filtering. All these things actually we added into the account management. Okay. And then also we have another feature for the voucher, like to what it calls, to create a voucher, to create a like payment voucher, to create a receipt voucher, to create a journal voucher, to create a contra voucher. So these are also we have to do. So I don't know, I'm not sure, like did we, it was actually the hands-on action items, like to create the user stories on the voucher and on the ledger. So I think we don't have any user stories on that. Okay, I think it was not created. So voucher, let's see. Yeah, we have already this. The account should be able to, account manager should be able to create a voucher so that I can enter. Yeah, so this thing should be connect. So let's connect. Oh, it is connected with the account management.
Yes, last time we connected with the account management, but Prantu, if you could please show us today. I was having difficulty creating user stories for the ledger. So if we can do some ledger user stories today, that would be great for both of us.
So okay, so no, like here actually we created the voucher user stories from here, this one. So like this for this button, for this button, But yeah, like we that it was the action items for like to create a receipt voucher, to create a payment voucher, to create a journal voucher, to create a contra voucher, to create all of this separately. So I think those are not created. Those are created. Okay, it is under the voucher, but why it's not showing then? Backlogs, features. Oh, okay. So it's actually a bug. So it's actually showing this account management, but this account management, it is not showing here. Actually, it is under all these are under the voucher. Okay. Here. See. See? So it's actually a bug. So let me remove this. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, someone actually added the account management into the voucher. Yeah, okay. Now it's looking good. So see, so we have the actually the the action items for the laser. Yeah, the laser. So and yeah, for every function we have written the user stories, like the account manager should be able to view the transaction amount of the profit and loss. Objective as an account manager, I want to view the transaction amount of the profit and loss so that I can ensure the yearly profit loss of the company. And this is the dependency, these are the acceptance criteria. Okay, all of this. So yeah, I'm not going to actually write the laser or those user stories. Those will be your reaction items. So if you don't write the user stories, then I will not be able to understand that you guys are understanding or you guys are able to writing the user stories perfectly. Okay.
Okay, yeah, but I know there will be multiple user stories under ledger. Is there any
Yeah,
way
like
you
okay, I
can
give
just
you
show
some
us one
hints. I
example?
actually I already give you the hints. Like you
Yeah.
create a laser user story for the like primary laser user story, and in the primary, like you can select the asset, liability, income, expense. So these all will be the primary laser. This one, another one will be the secondary laser.
Okay, that will
Okay.
be good enough. Thank you.
Yeah. So these two laser at least you can create. And in the another one, we have the laser management. From the laser management, you can actually export the laser. You can print all the laser. You can edit the laser. You can delete the laser. So those user stories we will have also. So yeah, I have already gave these hints in the last workshop also. So you guys can actually write the user stories on this. Okay. And yeah, like let me go. Let's go to here again. Oh, sorry, I was in mute. Sorry. So, okay. So the account manager should be able to view the transaction amount of the profit and loss. So if you can see that this is the objective as an account manager, I want to view the transaction amount of the profit and loss so that I can ensure the yearly profit loss of the company. Dependencies, the user should have a valid email address. The user should be registered in the application. The user should be logged into the application. The transaction should be entered into the portal. So see, though these are the common you guys already know. Amrit, you already know, like we have to register, we have to actually log in all these things. But this one you can notice that the transaction should be entered into the portal. So what does it mean? That means if you don't have any transaction, if you does not enter any transaction, then you will not able to get any profit and loss, right? So that means you must have enter the transaction should be entered into the portal so that it can calculate logically, and then it can give you the like result that okay, this is the right now this is the condition of your business or of your company. Okay. So these are the acceptance criteria, like given the account manager is on the home page when I'm logged into the portal. So we just break instead of writing the all the steps of the login again and